Nope, on the left. Yep, that would you do left and right. Yep, go ahead. Just left and right.
You know what? He actually just stumbled across something. No, he did both. He was unloading and opening the, he went to the side.
Shut it off. Shut off the key. Up to the back door, dude. All the way. Sweet, dude.
Good job, Max. Tell us what you did.
So when I was, so if I wanted to go, like this, like these two parts, I think they make this go here and there, and these. So I don't know. I forgot what this one does.
It opens and closes the.
Yeah, open and closes that, and this one, if you go forward, it goes up, and then it goes down.
Yeah.
And these two
Here,
sides,
Mason.
and these two sides turn. It's very dangerous.
Mm-hmm.
And rust, I don't know what.
Was that awesome?
Can
You
I
just
try it
drove.
again?
We'll see about that.
Can I do it again?
No, don't start it again, Max.
It's up to your dad, not me.
Wait a little bit. We will.